How does a 58-year-old man still move like a freight train, look like a superhero, and train harder than guys half his age? William Scott Goldberg, better known as Goldberg, isn't just a wrestling legend. He's a walking anti-aging experiment that's somehow working. No steroids, no shortcuts, just brutal consistency and time-tested wisdom. While most men slow down in their 50s, Goldberg trains 7 days a week, eats with military precision, and looks like he's carved from stone. What's his secret? In this video, we'll reveal the 5 foods he eats for longevity, the 3 foods he refuses to touch, his exact morning routine, what he eats for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, his full weekly workout plan, and the 4 rules every man over 50 should follow if they want to age like a beast. Early habits and background. Born in Tulsa, Oklahoma in 1966, William Scott Goldberg was built for performance. He started life as a quiet, focused kid with one mission: to succeed through effort. Football became his path. Goldberg's talent earned him a scholarship to the University of Georgia, and eventually a shot in the NFL. But a devastating pelvic injury ended that dream early. Instead of quitting, he pivoted. Wrestling found him, and the rest is history. He exploded onto the WCW stage with a record-breaking 173-match-winning streak and became one of the most dominant forces in professional wrestling. But behind the persona was always a man of discipline. No drugs, rarely drinks, always trains. Even now, in his late 50s, Goldberg lives like a man in his prime. His early commitment to clean habits, recovery, and focused training laid the foundation for the body he maintains today. Longevity. Foods. Goldberg fuels his body with precision. His diet is designed for recovery, strength, and inflammation control, not pleasure. He eats 5 staple foods religiously. Wild-caught salmon 2 to 3 times a week for brain function and joint support. Sweet potatoes as his primary carb, clean, slow digesting, and rich in potassium. Bone broth is his go-to drink, loaded with collagen for joints and gut health. Spinach and kale, packed into shakes for nitric oxide to support heart and vascular health. And whole eggs, yolks included, for muscle-building amino acids and brain-boosting choline. But just as important is what he avoids. Refined sugar? Gone. It inflames joints and crashes energy. White bread and pasta? They spike insulin and cause bloating. Fried or ultra-processed junk? Not a chance. The excess oil and sodium wreak havoc on performance and appearance. Goldberg's anti-aging nutrition is built on one idea: eat clean, train hard, recover fast, and repeat for decades. Morning routine. Goldberg's day begins with purpose before the sun even rises. At 4:30 a.m., a silent alarm wakes him. No scrolling, no chaos, just 1 minute of gratitude and calm breathwork. At 4:35, he hydrates with a tall glass of water, lemon, and sea salt to restore minerals and kickstart metabolism. Then comes 10 minutes of dynamic stretching, hip openers, shoulder rolls, and deep squats to prep his joints. By 5 a.m., he's on the air bike or treadmill for fasted cardio, oxygenating his brain and firing up fat metabolism. At 5:30, it's a 2-minute cold shower. Harsh, but effective. It tightens skin, sharpens focus, and drops inflammation. At 6 a.m., his first mini-meal, mostly protein, light on carbs, to keep insulin steady. Goldberg doesn't just wake up early. He uses every minute with intention. His morning routine is designed to activate his body, protect his mind, and prepare him to dominate the day. It's more than habit. It's a system for staying sharp and strong at any age. Daily meals. Goldberg's meals are fuel, not entertainment. Every bite has a job: to support muscle, joint health, and clean energy. Breakfast hits at 6:30 a.m. 4 egg whites, 1 whole egg, a quarter avocado, and 6 almonds. Clean protein and healthy fats. Later, he sips a protein shake: spinach, almond butter, collagen, and blueberries, rich in antioxidants and recovery nutrients. Lunch at 12:30 is grilled chicken or lean bison, roasted veggies, and either quinoa or sweet potato, colorful, balanced, and anti-inflammatory. Afternoon fuel is simple: bone broth, 1 boiled boiled egg, and walnuts. Easy on digestion and rich in collagen. Dinner at 6 p.m. finishes the day clean. Baked salmon, steamed spinach and beet greens, and a drizzle of olive oil. No sugar, no fried food, no bloating grains, just pure, performance-ready fuel. This consistent, nutrient-rich diet is Goldberg's real secret weapon, and why his body still functions like it's decades younger. Weekly workout schedule. Goldberg trains 6 days a week, and every session serves a purpose. Monday targets chest and triceps, bench presses, incline dumbbells, dips, and overhead extensions. Tuesday is leg day, squats, walking lunges, sled pushes, and calf work. Wednesday is for back and biceps, heavy deadlifts, bent over rows, curls, and face pulls. Thursday is his power day, circuit-style workouts with tire flips, battle ropes, kettlebell swings, and jump squats. Friday is core and conditioning, planks, leg raises, ab rollouts, and hill sprints. Saturday is active recovery, mobility drills, yoga, foam rolling, or light cardio like swimming. Sunday is either total rest or fun movement with his family. Catch, hikes, or light trail walks. Goldberg doesn't train to impress. He trains to move better, stay fast, and protect his body. It's not about how much he lifts. It's about how well he performs, recovers, and shows up again the next day. Fitness rules for men over 50. Goldberg's fitness rules aren't flashy, but they work. Rule 1. Train for function, not ego. He doesn't chase big numbers. He focuses on strength that helps him move pain-free, stay mobile, and recover fast. Rule 2. Graze, don't gorge. He eats 4 to 5 small meals daily to keep his energy steady, digestion clean, and metabolism fired up. Rule 3. Cook slow, eat clean. No charred meats, no fried food, just slow roasted proteins and steamed veggies to preserve nutrients and reduce inflammation. Rule 4. Show up daily. Goldberg trains or moves every single day. Some days heavy, others light. The key is showing up, no matter what. He understands what most men over 50 don't. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need to train like you're 25. You need to train like a man who wants to be strong at 75. And if you live by these 4 rules, you'll be decades ahead of your age group. Product promotion, call to action. If you're over 50 and feel your strength, energy, and drive slipping away, Goldberg's message is clear. Don't accept decline. Fight back. That's why we created Test Supreme, a premium testosterone booster formulated specifically for men over 50. No gimmicks, just science-backed ingredients like tonkat ali, zinc, ashwagandha, and vitamin D3 to naturally support your T levels, boost muscle recovery, sharpen mental focus, and reignite stamina. Whether you're training, working, or just trying to feel like yourself again, Test Supreme helps you reclaim your edge. Thousands of men are already seeing results, and now it's your turn. Click the link below to grab your bottle and take the first step toward feeling stronger, leaner, and more alive, just like Goldberg. You don't need to be a pro athlete to age like one. You just need the right tools and the right mindset. Start today.